So, during 1955 elections, the Communist Party was defeated at the polls and the Congress again came into power. Stop. Again, during 1967, when elections took place, the Congress Party was defeated. Here, stop para. Whoever it is, whatever party it is, anybody with some criminal record or who is industrial in a court of law or is convicted by a court of law or whatever it is, that person may be debarred from entering any party, and all the parties should make it a point not to award any membership to such persons, but unfortunately the political parties are encouraging criminal elements, and at the same time several youth organizations which are there in every district, in every town, also draw inspiration from elders in the criminalization of politics. Stop. I would like to add another thing with regard to the press and the media. Stop. Unfortunately, in every election, the press goes on analyzing for 1 month or 1 month and 15 days. Stop. This time the elections were announced about 3 months ahead of schedule. Stop. But all these 3 months all the newspapers gave analysis stated there that are 7 assembly segments in the parliamentary constituency, and in all the 7 assembly segments female voters are more than the male voters, and agricultural laborers are more than the agriculturists in the last elections in this constituency. So and so won the elections, but he was defeated in 1971, and again such and such parties took part in the elections in 1977. So many people contested against each other, and ultimately that fellow won. Stop para. But in their enthusiasm, the newspapers and the media, they are going a little bit further in analyzing that in this assembly segment the number of Harijan voters in such, the number of Reddy voters is such, and the number of Kama voters or Naidu voters in such. Stop. Like that they are going to analyze the facts and the position of the voters in that particular segment. Stop. That is giving rise to so much communal tension and caste tension. Stop. Slowly they are influencing the minds of political workers, saying unless you go on the lines of castes, it is not desirable for the efficient functioning of democracy. Stop. This is very dangerous for the unity of the country. Now stop. I would like to appeal to the media as well as my journalist friends to see that such thing is avoided, such reporting is avoided, such analysis in the press during electioneering is avoided on caste lines and communal lines unless it is done. Stop. I am very much afraid that we are heading from bad to worse. Stop. As far as money power is concerned, sir, every member of parliament, every member of a legislature starts his career by a false declaration. Stop para, Mr. Vice Chairman, sir. Right from 1952, we have been following democratic system in elections, and we should feel proud of it. Stop, but as the days are passing by, the democratic system is being affected, and our election system has to be changed, as it is creating disharmony at the social level of our country. Stop. Every one of you will agree with me and feel that the existing election laws need to be amended. Stop. But the question is, in what way these laws are to be amended? Sign of interrogation. On this, different political parties have different opinions. Stop. In this context, I would like to suggest a few points, as I do not have more time at my disposal. Stop.